Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. The ZR2 truck is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, we have power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. You have your 4x4 buttons, drivability mode and trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog lights, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the reverse side, full digital gauge cluster as well, and customizable between different screens, push-button ignition, and the brand new 13.4-inch large touchscreen using the Google operating system, powered by obviously Google. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both available there as well. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, push button ignition, integrated trailer braking system. The ZR2 Silverado does have the locking differentials. You can lock your rear differential or your rear and front. All electronic. You do have your gear selector in the middle there as well. Wireless charging, lots of storage throughout. The ZR2 branded only interior as well, with the gray and yellow stitching, Bose performance audio, and our leather ZR2 heated and ventilated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado ZR2, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, beautiful ZR2 only rims. We do have the Multimatic DSSV suspension system, the best suspension GM has to offer. We do have color matched door handles, keyless entry, color matched mirror cap, ZR2 badging on the front fender, 6.2 liter plaque on the hood. Up front we do have the lift kit as well, making room for the big wheel and tires. And again, the Multimatic suspension, DSSV Multimatic with dampening system. We do have the ZR2 front grille. We have the lights in the grille, flow tie, straight through Chevrolet bow tie. We have the red tow hooks, fog lights, LED daytime running lamps, and turn signals. Skid plates underneath the whole body of the ZR2 as well. Vehicle is a crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows. Coming down the back side here, we do have our parking sensors, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, as well as your ZR2 branded tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated as well. ZR2 only interior. You have your in-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. The vehicle has 3 straight heated seats, your USB ports there as well. This is a crew cab, so tons and tons of room in the back of the Silverado ZR2. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Silverado 1500 ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.